Hi, this is John with Deckmasters of South Florida. I'm down here in beautiful Miami Beach, and I just wanted to showcase one of our latest projects. It's some tongue and groove epay up in the soffit of a ceiling on a porch, and we wrapped some posts to make them a little bit better. And then what we did was add some oil onto the epay to really protect it and make it shine. I hope you like our project, and if you want to find out more about epay and the different things we can do and build with epay, please visit us at www.deckmastersofsouthflorida.com.